Hi, let's detect another digraph today. Letter E. Letter E has a sound A. And when we add one more E in this, it gives a long E sound. Let me tell you a story today. I went on a walk and saw a tree and a buzzing bee and my tiny feet in the grass. Can you see the sounds here? Tr, E, B, E, F, E. That's the magic of E diagram. Now I want you to detect the sounds. So here are the words. Sheep, pen, jeep. Detect the sounds now. Well done! Very good, my sound detectives. Follow for more phonics fun. Bye.